there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see child row in data table. So child row you can use to display more information regarding a particular column. So I'm going to show you all the information in child row. So let's get started with today's video. So first let's see table. So here you can see name, email, phone, message and actions. These columns I'm having, and if I'll show you documentation, so here you can see child row documentation. Here HTML and JavaScript both are present, so you can go through the documentation once. So now let's go and implement this. So if I'll show you code table I'm having, you can see same columns. Then I have jQuery imported, data table, and after that I have initialized data table and data is coming from AJAX, and column you can see I have defined. So first we need to add one more column to this for arrow, like to open and close. So add one more th, and same in columns as well in script. So let's get it from documentation. So here class name is important that you need to provide is dt control, so that I'm same using. And now let's see in browser. So now if I'll refresh, here you can see arrow button now you can see, but if I'll click as of now it will not open because functionality is not added as of now. So now let's go and add function to it. From the documentation, let's copy one function format. So this is function to format your child row, that how it will be displayed. So here they have used dt. Let's add the event listener as well. So here that will be click. So if we are going to click on arrow, then it should open. So I'm going for init complete. Inside that I'm going to add this event listener. So here you can see it's targeting closest to tr, and that tr we are getting the row, that which one is clicked. Basically that's what we are getting, which row is clicked to open child row. Then if condition, if it's already displayed then hide it, and if not displayed then display that function is called here. So now let's check. So I have clicked first one, you can see child row is opening now. So it says undefined to extension number because we don't have this like format in our table. We need to change this according to our need. So let's just console log d what exactly we are getting. Now let's write d name with the full name. And now let's go and check in browser, refresh. Let's inspect one what we are getting in console. Let's click. So now you can see we are getting complete row details in format function. So now let's quickly change the format. That's how I want to display this data. So let's add span to this and strong, and close this span at the end. And now let's remove this d name from here. Now let's write email. So similarly span strong, write email and close this strong, write d dot email. So remove data. So remove these also, I don't need it. Last is closing of tab. Third will be phone, and change d dot phone. And fourth will be message, so change title and value as well, d dot message. So now let's check in browser. So here you can see, okay, we have defined span, so that's why it's coming in one line. So let's change this to paragraph. Let's quickly change all span to p tag. And now let's check in browser. So here now you can see it's visible properly. So here you can see message also taking full space, and you can see paragraph if you have, it is like clearly visible here in child row. So if you have something like this, you can display it in child row. Using child row you can also add any form if you want here, so it depends on your requirement. So that's all in this video. In my next video I'll show you how to save this state whichever child row you have opened. If you haven't done, comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.